go to voice level 0 in 4, 3, 2, and 1. That was perfect. Good morning, Sydney! Oh my goodness, it's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday! Are you guys excited because it's Tuesday? I know this one. They really sound excited though. They sound excited. Miss P she was about to do a cartwheel. Are you guys excited because it's Tuesday? Oh, yes. Miss Hughes, can you hit the lights for us so we can get this party started? All right, I need you guys this morning, loud and proud. Give me a T. Give me a R. Give me a E. Give me a C. Give me a K. What's that spell? What does the T stand for? What does the R stand for? What does the E stand for? What does the C stand for? What does the K stand for? What do we have? Almost. Because remember, when we get done with our chants, we have to go back to a voice level 0. Great job, great job. Mr. Fairhaven, what should we give them for that awesome chant today? That battery does not work. What should we give them? An NBA jam. Oh, yes. Let's see if you can hit the lights. On 3, get your ball out. You gotta get your ball out. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I need you guys to turn on your listening ears. No, really turn them off. Turn them off. Okay. Put in your thinking cap. Make sure you tie it up. Okay. You don't want it to fall off. You got Velcro? Oh, you got the good one. We got the ones on sale. That's okay. So we are in T.5. What are we in? Remembers and follows directions. So what is it? What is it? Okay, that's better because the first time it sounded like that's what I got the first time. All right, everybody track me. So these are the 4 behaviors that you need to demonstrate in order to get an E. Oh, yes. Who doesn't like an E on their report card? Nobody? Everybody. Actively performs routines and procedures. Completes tasks according to instructions. Clarifies directions when misunderstandings occur. And they do. I mean, it is what it is. Yes. Works independently with focus. So, remember on Friday, we did a little game, a little bit of dancing. Well, today, we're doing Miss Miles says. Oh, yes. Yes, be nervous, Mr. Fairhaven. Be very nervous. Yes. So these are the instructions and directions for Miss Miles says. So turn on your listening ears. I'm going to ask you to do something. If I do not say before that, Miss Miles says, you should not do it. So if I just say, tap tap your foot, you would be out. You should not tap your foot. But if I say Miss Miles says tap your foot, you will tap your foot. Yes. So those are the briefest directions that I can give you. So if I don't say Miss Miles says before it, should you do it? Are you sure? Should you do it if I don't say Miss Miles says? Okay. Pretty smart, pretty smart. All right. Miss Miles says, put both hands on your head. Miss Miles says, put both hands on your knees. Put your hand on your nose. Almost. Miss Miles says, with both hands, touch your ears. Miss Miles says, put your hands, both hands, on the floor. Touch your eye. Touch the top of your head. Miss Miles says, sit in star. Miss Miles says, still sitting in style, put a bubble in your mouth. Bust your bubble. Oh. Miss Miles says, stand up. Listen to the directions, right? Oh, let's see. How many can follow the directions? All right, if you want you guys to turn up. Here we go.
Walk to the left, walk to the right, walk to the left, too tight.
I see y'all.
Walk to the left, walk to the right, too tight. Now do the tight ground, then make your legs pop.
Do it.
Do the tight ground, then make your legs pop. Body pop, body pop, body pop, body pop. Now do the shuffle now. Do the shuffle now. I say do the shuffle now. Do the shuffle now.
You can do it. I'm not the person that's telling you. Let's see. I gotta see it. I gotta really see it. I see you, Miss Ross. I see you, girl. All right, we should be freezing right now. Y'all better hit this wine, that's all I'm telling you. freeze. I didn't say freeze though. Miss Miles says freeze. Miss Miles says sit down at a voice level 0 and track the center sitting in star in 3, 2, 1. Miss Flint, how do you think they did doing TCAP 5, remembering and following directions? E, yes, or E?
I can't answer because you did the same as Miles said.
I didn't. Great job, you guys. Woo. Man. Everybody say good morning, Miss Flint.
All right, so as we're working on following directions, there is a goal in certain classrooms, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, and 4th grade. What is the goal? What is the direction of how many lessons you should be completing per week? I love the sounds over there. How many lessons per week to complete?
You have to complete 4 lessons per week.
You have to complete 4 lessons per week. That's a lot of learning. And I will tell you what, the 2nd grade, Ms. Grumar, Ms. Picker, they have been rocking it out every single week. We're up in the 80s, 90s. 3rd grade has been rocking it out every single week with Ms. Bigelow's math class. Every week you guys are up in the 80s, 90s. Now 4th grade, oh Miss Hughes, I saw that look. Oh, you know what I'm going to say, don't you? Last week, 4th grade went from a lower percentage rate to 100%. Yes. The other class, the other 4th grade group had an 81. So if you had 81, you had 19% to go to get to 100. But 4th grade showed nearly a 70% increase in 1 week. So 4th grade, that's what it's all about. Do you guys know the Biggity Band? All right, do you know that as a cheer? Oh, well, we're going to go with Mr. Zwicky. And who can tell me, how does Mr. Zwicky say Biggity Bam? How do you know it? Stand up. You're going to teach us how Mr. Zwicky says Biggity Bam. Biggity Bam! All right, we need a Biggity Bam for 4th grade on 3. 1, 2, 3. Way to go, 4th grade.
Way to go, 4th grade. Well, guess what? Today is a 4th grade day for this grade. Oh, Lord. 55 times from each university to come up and help us with this delay. 3rd and 4th grade. You guys have been a little too quiet. I need to hear you today because it is about to go down with this delay. Thank you for fixing the uniform.